Hi guys, it's Mason from Team NG4. This is a rematch. Again.
Well, I beat Sonny this time around from this match. It was good.
It was intense. He got it. Trevor got a heel trig, and then he got a heel trig, and there's like WTF.
I got a draw.
And then he barely won. Barely. It was extremely close.
So now this is just a mess around between Soulless OTT and Lock Screen H.
Too bad he didn't bring his Darky Regs.
I don't even know if I'm going to beat your Darky Regs. If I can't beat this shit, I'm scared to know what's going to happen if I were to fight you.
That's just a slaughterhouse. I'm sorry. I have my Darky Reg.
I love my Darky Reg.
Steel Vampire? Oh, heal. I'll get another one.
Shittiest group. Actually, no. You know what? If I'd gotten this hand against you, I actually wouldn't have been too bad. Because I would have had an extra 5 to beat you. I had to play. Stupid bitch. You can go first.
Damn. Good job. I mean, that's perfect.
Last time.
Yep.
What, 7? No matter what I throw, I can't touch.
That screwed me over, though. You have to admit, it's not a bad deck. Just having Steel Vampire as a first Vanguard is the best thing.
Right?
Trevor, you came in 6th today, right?
Sixth place out of like 17, 18 people.
17.
17?
Yeah, because there's an odd number.
There's a bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
9 and 4 to.
So Trevor came in 6th place today. I came in 5th.
This dipshit came in 5. Draw trick power. Draw.
And Austin is terrible. I suck.
Austin just did not have good luck today.
Yeah, Austin didn't have good luck today, sadly.
13?
No,
I know, right? I bet I could have gone farther with this deck.
I gave 4 to.
Oh,
I know.
17.
If it was finished, I bet I could have gone farther. It's Reggie and 2 of the things where it's boosted against too. Those useless things. I need them on. How much you want for it?
Stupid bitch. I hate this card. This sucks.
I knew she was going to say no. I'm like,
I seriously think I'm going to
$10
draw
cover
her out.
this shit.
Because I hate her so much.
We're supposed to drop her out, but we don't have another Sakia.
9.
I don't want another grade 3. I keep getting them. I get grade 3s way too much. I'm going to test it out. We're putting in another luck or something.
9, 4 here.
I need 3. How much do you want for single?
Alright, whoever wins this gets the honor of facing you.
Can I give you 10 now and know
Heal
you're
power?
18.
Yeah.
How much?
18.
18.
My dad was so
5.
$45 for finished deck.
17.
Dude, I spent on that deck that he's using. They're all, most of them are my cards. So I spent $177 on that deck.
Just draw
It's
one.
not a bad deck either. I mean, I can build those bitch right now. The one he's using is mine. Except for like 5 times. I can't. I just have to have. I just have to get the right card.
Power.
That's pretty much you have to build break them in there.
Crit. Power.
Thank you. Or you're gonna have to stall them. Like I do with my Bermudas. Dude, my Bermudas stack up to that. I'm just like, and
Nobody lose.
24.
Oh, okay.
So I let it go?
Oh,
Which guy on that?
so I go first since I lost, right?
my Leopald.
Pretty much. Ah, they're good. Okay, well he's useless anyway.
Still a pretty good game though.
Hold on,
Guys.
did I misplay the power on that? This is 9 and 5, which is 14. plus 2 is 24, and 5 is 29.
I'll let it go.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying if I had attacked up to the 10, would have been enough. So, but either way, I attacked you anyway. So
Trevor, in his mind, shit.
I should have attacked the Vanguard. Oh well.
18 to Vanguard and give 4 to stamp on this.
Fucking bro.
First check. Second check.
Double critted. Went that side.
I would have laughed, honestly.
Swing for 19 to hit. Yeah, 10 to 5.
Actually, isn't it 20? Oh, wait, never mind. My bad.
13.
Alright, well,
Skill. Let's do it.
he doesn't get retired.
That's the beauty about being an otter.
Right? You don't get to die.
You don't have to die.
Yeah, I'm gonna ride her back, pick everything back up. Ride. Call. CoCo skill. Top card. Bottom. $22 to Vanguard.
2 breaks.
So lost the 1. It's going to be 20k to 20k to the hamstring.
Okay. Michael? Yep. Stand and raw. Guardian of Truth. I lied. I lied. Dirty liar, because that's what I do.
Bracket.
I was just saying, I knew you were probably going to attack it. So, wait,
I need to get rid
you
of
can't
that.
attack something that's not supposed to exist.
You are a dirty liar. Horrible.
You make me cry. What you have?
Well, this can hit me. That's
17.
18 and 4 to Otter.
18 and 4.
First check.
First time ever on that
Second check. There's the one. What the fuck?
What the feet?
What the fuck? 19. A measly little 19.
I'm going to go to slam you now. Try my best. 9, 6, 15k Vanguard.
Okay.
Don't be a trigger. Please don't be a trigger. Yes! 22. Overguard. 25. Crit. Power crit. Power crit.
Fuck!
Yeah, baby! Every time!
Ah! Damn it! Ah!
You lost?
Yes. My last
Sonny, you lost?
I lost.
I'm sorry.
And that goes to Trevor.
Dude.
Trevor.
So gay.
Trevor and his
would've
power
been
crit.
This
Power.
would have been 14 with 3 crit. No zeros.
Good
Take
game,
that shit.
Sonny. Good game.